Äyubowan. Welcome to Apparel Hub YouTube channel. The topic we are talking about today is a lean concept that you may know. And also some of you may be known but have never seen. That is called lean one-piece flow. I have looked a lot of videos. The majority speaks of the theoretical side of in those videos. But there is a low exposure in those videos to how it doing practically. I'm going to show you today how I have done it practically. I hope this video is important to you for a practical start. Stay with me until the end of this video. What is a lean one-piece flow? Some people are called a variety of different names. As like one-piece flow, single-piece flow, continuous flow. Here I am looking forward to talking about one-piece flow, which is in the manufacturing process of garment production line. One-piece flow is a key concept in lean manufacturing. Achieving one-piece flow helps manufacturers to achieve true just-in-time manufacturing. That is, the right parts can be made available when they are needed in the quantity they are needed. Here the one piece or small batch at a time is carried out step by step and producing garments. The production line is called the name cell. The machines/workstations required for garment production are lined up in order in the cell. Many people are familiar with the term one-piece flow, but there is considerable confusion as to what it means and how to actually carry out the process. In the production lines that you commonly know or have seen producing garment in bundle-wise, each operator produces their related process separately bundles. Here, in the middle of the production line, it can see that there is a large pile of bundles. The negative result of this production system is that when a defect occurs, it is found in a large number of garments. This is a waste of time and money and delays delivery on time. But one-piece flow production concept avoids that error and helps to identify the defect in a very short time. At first, let's see what kind of conditions are important for continual one-piece flow. 1. Supply must be consistent for continued production. 2. If there are many quality issues, it is impossible to continue one-piece flow. 3. Process takt time must be even in every process or workstation. Takt time I will describe later in this video. 4. A machine should have well maintenance and good reliability for avoid downtime. Here you can follow the TPM concept. I have attached the TPM video link under description. In one-piece flow production process, it is very important to decide which product will be produced in the cell. If you are doing mixed product, changeover time must be kept short. It should be one takt time. You can follow the QCO system to minimize the changeover time. The second step is to calculate the takt time. Takt time is the time allocated per worker to complete his/her process. This is calculated by dividing the time available for 1 hour by the number of pieces to be output in 1 hour. You can determine the each process takt time by referring operation breakdown. The third step. Set the number of machines to meet the calculated takt time and make the lean layout accordingly. Here you should consider the extra backup machines for critical process and chance to break down machines. The machines which take more time to repair. Also consider the changeover times for load and unload time. The fourth step. Execute the layout, line feeding. While line feeding, use 5S. Eliminate and remove the items that are not needed and return to stores. Space between processes within a one-piece flow must be limited to eliminate unwanted motions. While set up the layout, you can follow different type of production cell according to your floor space. Like U-shape, S-shape or zigzag. I have practiced U-shape and zigzag systems, but recommending U-shape is the best. Finally, balance the cell and create standardized work for each operators within the cell and split the work between operators. After finished the feeding, measure the cycle time of each workstation. When you follow the continuous improvement, you will be able to reduce the takt time further and improve the production output. Let's see what are the benefits of lean one-piece flow. 1. Reduce line feeding time, throughput time. 2. Better visual management. 3. Quicker response. 4. Easier to change product. 5. Accurate production output. 6. Fast detection of defects. 7. Improve garment stitch quality. 8. Reduce rework percentage. 9. Less inventory and short lead time. 10. Better efficiency and everybody working same time. 11. No waiting time. 12. Continuous pressure goes to everyone and improve labor productivity in manufacturing process. 13. Improve customer service level. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you got something from this video. Also, I hope that the lean one-piece flow concept will be implemented in your factory. If you have any problem, you can contact me via the email address given in the description. See you again with another video. Stay with us, AR Apparel Hub YouTube channel.